Hey everyone! Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best treadmills for health and fitness you can buy right now. I've compared 5 popular models to help you find the right balance of performance, features, durability, and value, whether you're walking, jogging, or training at home. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. NordicTrack T-Series. The NordicTrack T-Series is one of the most popular home treadmills for US buyers, and it's easy to see why. It offers a great balance of performance, comfort, and smart features, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to stay active without leaving home. Whether you're walking for daily exercise, jogging to improve your fitness, or training for your next race, the T-Series is designed to handle a wide range of workouts. One of its biggest strengths is the cushioned running deck, which helps reduce impact on your knees and joints compared to running on pavement. The treadmill also features adjustable speed and incline, allowing you to increase workout intensity as your fitness improves. Its folding design is another major advantage, especially for people living in apartments or homes where saving space matters. The T-Series is compatible with interactive workout programs, giving users access to guided training sessions that can help keep workouts engaging and consistent. The sturdy frame provides a stable running experience, while the quiet motor makes it suitable for early morning or evening workouts without creating excessive noise. Overall, the NordicTrack T-Series is best for beginners, walkers, joggers, and intermediate runners who want a dependable treadmill with modern features and a comfortable running experience. If your goal is building a consistent fitness routine at home, this treadmill offers an excellent combination of quality, convenience, and long-term value. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Fully Assembled One-Click Fold 20-inch Smart Treadmill with Auto Incline and Sunny Fit app. The Sunny Health and Fitness One-Click Fold Smart Treadmill is a great option for anyone who wants an easy-to-use treadmill that fits comfortably into everyday life. One of its biggest advantages is that it arrives fully assembled, so you can start working out almost immediately without spending hours putting it together. The one-click fold design also makes storage simple, making it an excellent choice for apartments, condos, or homes where space is limited. The 20-inch running deck provides plenty of room for comfortable walking, jogging, and running, while the automatic incline feature helps increase workout intensity and burn more calories without manually adjusting the machine. Whether you're training for better fitness, losing weight, or simply staying active during bad weather, this treadmill offers enough versatility for a wide range of fitness goals. Another standout feature is compatibility with the Sunny Fit app, which gives users access to guided workouts, virtual routes, performance tracking, and training programs that help keep workouts interesting and motivating. The sturdy construction and smooth operation make it suitable for regular daily use, while the folding design allows it to be tucked away when not needed. The main drawback is that serious marathon runners or advanced athletes may eventually want a larger running surface and more powerful commercial-grade machine. However, for beginners, intermediate runners, busy professionals, and families looking for a reliable home treadmill, the Sunny Health and Fitness One-Click Fold Smart Treadmill delivers an excellent balance of convenience, performance, and space-saving design, making it a smart investment for creating an effective home workout routine. Number 3. Cursor Fitness 16% Incline Treadmills for Home Small with 3 LED displays. 3.0 HP foldable walking pad treadmill up to 400 pounds capacity, portable treadmill 0.6 to 7.0 miles per hour. If you're looking for a compact treadmill that can still deliver challenging workouts, the Cursor Fitness 16% incline treadmill is definitely worth considering. Unlike many compact treadmills that focus only on walking, this model offers a powerful 3.0 HP motor, speeds up to 7 miles per hour, and an impressive 16% incline to make every workout more effective. Whether you're trying to lose weight, improve your endurance, or simply stay active, the incline feature helps increase calorie burn without requiring you to run at high speeds. Another major advantage is its space-saving design. The treadmill folds easily, making it a great fit for apartments, condos, or homes where storage space is limited. Despite its compact footprint, it supports users up to 400 pounds, giving it a sturdy and stable feel during workouts. The three LED displays clearly show your speed, distance, time, and calories, allowing you to track your progress without distraction. While it performs well for walking, jogging, and moderate running, dedicated marathon runners may eventually want a larger running deck and higher top speed. Overall, this treadmill is an excellent choice for beginners, intermediate users, and anyone looking for an affordable home treadmill that combines portability with effective incline training. Number 4. Urevo Stroll 2e Smart 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill, Compact Walking Pad with Safety Handle, Plug and Play, Standing Desk Treadmill with Dual LED Display, Smart App, Walking or Running for Home Office. The Urevo Stroll 2e is designed for people who want to stay active throughout the day without dedicating an entire room to fitness equipment. Its biggest strength is the versatile 2-in-1 design, allowing it to function as both a walking pad for use under a standing desk and a traditional treadmill for walking or light jogging. This flexibility makes it especially appealing for remote workers, students, and anyone who spends long hours sitting at a desk. The treadmill is compact, folds quickly, and is ready to use right out of the box, eliminating the frustration of complicated assembly. Its dual LED display keeps your workout information easy to read, while the companion app lets you monitor progress, set goals, and track your activity over time. The sturdy safety handle adds confidence for users who prefer extra support during workouts. Although it handles walking and light jogging very well, it's not designed for intense running or advanced athletic training. If your primary goal is increasing daily movement while working from home or maintaining a healthier lifestyle, the Urevo Stroll 2e delivers excellent convenience, smart features, and space-saving practicality. Number 5. Xterra Fitness Sport Series Premium Folding Smart Treadmill, Handlebar Speed and Incline Controls, Large Xterra Soft Cushioned Running Deck, Built-in FTMS-enabled Bluetooth with XF Connect Fitness app. The Xterra Fitness Sport Series Premium Folding Smart Treadmill is built for buyers who want a comfortable and dependable treadmill for regular home workouts. One of its biggest highlights is the large Xterra Soft Cushioned Running Deck, which helps absorb impact and reduce stress on your knees and joints during longer walking or running sessions. This makes it a great option for users who exercise several times a week. The treadmill also features convenient handlebar controls that allow you to adjust speed and incline without interrupting your workout. Bluetooth connectivity and compatibility with the XF Connect Fitness app make it easy to track your performance, monitor progress, and stay motivated over time. Its folding frame helps save valuable floor space when the treadmill isn't being used, making it practical for most homes. Performance is smooth and stable for walking, jogging, and regular running, making it suitable for beginners as well as experienced fitness enthusiasts. While competitive runners may eventually prefer a commercial-grade treadmill with more advanced specifications, most home users will find the Xterra Sport Series offers an outstanding combination of comfort, smart technology, durability, and long-term value. That's my roundup of the top 5 best treadmills for health and fitness. Each one has its own strengths depending on your fitness goals, available space, and budget. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.